Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Muller and I want to thank you guys for registering for my Weird Business Strategy web class. I'm excited because we're going to cover a lot of really cool things here. Here we are right now, behind the scenes, working on this web class so that you guys have a great experience. And we're going to be talking about my Weird Business Strategy, where it's allowed me to make over $106,768 during my first month in business. And you can actually do this with any business out there, and that's what we're going to teach you. We're actually going to show you an e-commerce business where the owner's making over $380,000 a year. We're going to show you a landscape company where the owner's making over $460,000 a year. And we're going to show you an HVAC company where the owner's making over $700,000 a year. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this with any business out there. So don't worry about it. It doesn't matter if I've mentioned a business you've even thought of. It could be a restaurant, an e-commerce, it could be retail, brick and mortar, whatever kind of business you want out there. I'm going to show you guys how to make the kind of money you guys want to make. I'm going to show you guys how you can make $100,000 your first month in business. And not only that, I'm going to show you guys how you can get that business hopping where you have hundreds of customers coming in your first month in business. I'm serious now, okay? Because I have done this multiple times and I keep doing it. I have 8 multi-million-dollar companies that all run without me. And I'm going to show you the strategies I use on a yearly basis to find businesses and do this same strategy. Also, I'm going to teach you guys how you can predict with 100% accuracy whether or not that business idea is going to be successful or not. 100% accuracy. It sounds crazy, I know, but I'm going to show you guys how to do that. First off, make sure you guys have time for this. You come early to the web class. The seating is limited, so come 10 to 15 minutes early just so that you can secure your spot. Also, my staff has some homework items for you guys that they wanted me to go over for you. Basically, before you come to the web class, use the link below to buy my book, The Lifestyle Business Owner. It was a #1 international best-selling book, and it'll give you a better feel for what the seminar is going to be about and everything, and you'll just be able to follow along a little easier. Also, make sure you get Google Chrome because our tech people say that Google Chrome works better for the web classes, so make sure you get that too, and there's a free link for that. Download that onto your computer. You'll be able to get rid of it if you don't want it later on, but use it for the web class. And finally, check your email for a unique link to access the web class, and don't lose the link. Our spots are limited and they're unique to you. And this is a first come, first serve basis. The link's going to be in your email, so go to your junk mail if you don't see it somewhere. Make sure you have it when you start for our class. So I think you guys are going to love it, and I will see you there early, right? 10, 15 minutes. Take care. Peace.